This is our operations dispatch center for all of maintenance and transportation. So they get calls and then they dispatch all the right personnel out to the schools. This is the VMAS server. We use it so we could activate any emergency notification from here. You could send alert and you can actually click any of the ones you want and send out any emergency notification to that school. Or you can highlight a bunch of them, geofence them, and then send it to all those all at the same time. So right now we are going to send the alert to Altitude Elementary to go into a hold. So I'm going to sit here, click here, and select hold, and then hit send update. The icon goes purple, it goes hold, and on your phone you'll get a V-alert notification saying Altitude's going into a hold. At each school they have this same graphic, and if they hit the button it would do the same. It sends it up to the display saying Altitude went into a hold. So anytime anyone touches any of the buttons, they will get this in the security dispatch center. From this screen here on the V-alert app, you can click hold, and then it'll say, are you sure you want to send hold to Altitude Elementary? And then you hit send. And then it pops up here, hold, and all their screen pops pop up also.